Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x8024d009 in Windows Update. So how to fix this error code in Windows Update. So first you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. And here you see Windows Update. Click on Run and run this Windows Update until this process will be complete. So wait some few minutes, and after this process complete, so close it and search CMD. If does this method not work, so type CMD and run as administrator. Just click on it, administrators, and it asks permission, so click on yes. Now type here this command line sfc space less scan now. Yeah, this command is this sfc space less scan now. Type here this command here and paste this command here or type it. This process will be complete. This sfc space less scan now successfully run, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching again.